Mark II AC, Single Hose Installation. In this video, we will focus on the single hose installation technique. Suppose you are using the Mark II AC in a small, insulated space and the rear air exhaust hose is installed to expel hot air. This approach initially results in faster cooling. Because the intake air cooling the front condenser comes from within the space, which has been cooled down after a while. The hot air is exhausted outside the space. However, over time, the air inside your space decreases, creating negative air pressure. This can lead to air infiltration through the cracks and gaps in your setup, which, in turn, makes it hot again. You can refer to this picture and select the method that suits your setup and cooling needs best.